Takot ako kay pating.
Hindi yung pating, parang pating lang yun.
Get out, get out. I don't know, you up?
Saan, Daddy? Ay, yung malaki.
They're back. Come on, fast, Joe. Look at the.
Ayan na, oh! Ayan na, oh! Ayan na!
I don't like.
Ay!
I'm scared.
Pakul effect ka pa, takot ka pala dyan. What did you see, Joe? What did you see? What?
Let's go to another page.
The small fish? Walang stairs, anak. Ito lang yung may stairs eh. Ah, oh, dito lang daw ang fishes. Ibang cage yun, kuya, no? May hati.
Going down. Ayoko man na.
Oh, huwag kayo masyadong magalaw para lalapit. O, doon, oh, that side, oh. Sa likod ni Ate Jassy.
Hindi kasi ako mag-asya.
There.
Do not kick, Joe, para hindi lalayo yung, fish.
I can see some starfishes.
Ayan. Gano'n ka
Yeah.
dito, kuya?
Dalawang tao.
Ah.
Dalawang dipa.
Hindi pa.
Yung starfish yun na naligaw eh.
Mhm.
Ito yung ano niya, kamay niya.
Ah, talaga?
I see a net on the
Oo.
bottom, then some starfish.
Ah, may nakita tayong ganun last time, di ba, Daddy? Yung pitong ganun, na starfish.
Ito yung...
Diba?
Oo.
Mommy, Dad, it has spikes, but it's not really pointy.
Oh, wag kayo masyado gagalaw para lalapit yung fish.